check out all the oil draining from the deck. Looks cool. So today is a hot muggy day, it's raining and I'm a builder. So while it's raining, I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to explain what my perspective was like when I worked for people compared to working for myself. When I was working for other people, Monday was, oh crap, it's Monday, oh god, I just got to get through it. Tuesday was, okay, I feel a bit better now, so maybe I could go in there with a bit of attitude. Wednesday was, oh my god, we're nearly there, let's do this. Thursday, it's not Friday yet. And Friday was, woo! It was a party. When you work for yourself, it's a bit different. You look at things like chunks of time. This is the deck job, 2 weeks. This is the bathroom job, 3 weeks. This is the renovation, 3 months. And then your calendar starts looking like just blocks of color rather than Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend, woo! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That gets fucking tedious. Your day is no longer about how many hours you have to endure. It's about what you can do with those hours. I sound like JFK. So with that idea in mind, today there are 2 things that we can do, and it involves the new deck that we're building this week. Number 1 is clear the remains of the old deck. There's still a few posts and bits and pieces. And number 2 is be there when the materials for the new deck arrive. Let's do it. So we've taken off the last of the old deck. We had the boundary joists and the shitty old posts, which were a bit of a mission, weren't they?
Bit of a... No, sorry. I ruined your video.
A bit of a tricky job. So we've got the rest of the rubbish there and here. So we've got to get rid of that bin and then get a new steel bin to carry the rest of it. What are you laughing at? How about that heat, Pardo?
Hot as hell, mate.
See, the thing about thunderstorms is right up until they happen, it's very, very hot. And according to the forecast, it's going to be very hot afterwards as well. So we left the deck job and we've got about 3 hours until the materials arrive. So what's the best way to kill that time? It's been like a year since I've been on a skateboard. I've got to do that more often. That was a lot of fun. Now I've got to have a shower and I have approximately 11:30, 12:30, 2 hours until the delivery. That's better. A quick weather check before we do go. Oh, those clouds look ominous. Looks like that rain's coming back. Come on, rain. I've got one more thing to do today. Just one more. It looks like it's already started. I think I've beaten the rain for now. It's definitely still coming though. Look at that. So now we play the waiting game.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big.
Well, the rain has arrived, but so has the timber.
So I just did need some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling down. But there's one thing I know.
Well, we did it. All in all, it was a successful day. The timber is here. We ripped off the remains of the deck. Good day. Can't complain.